shule yetu ni nzuri na mtu ni lazima apende kwake, sivyo? Charity begins at home, isn't it? Lazima tupende kwetu, tujisaidie na pia tupate wengine ambao wanatusaidia.
My name is Samuel Mbugwa. I am the operations manager at I&M Bank Nyariginu branch. We are here today as part of the foundation target for this year. We are targeting to plant 350,000 trees, and today through the Miti Alliance we have collaborated so that we can plant around 35,000 trees in 5 schools.
My name is Miyawaki from Miti Alliance. I'm the founder, and what we do at Miti Alliance is we restore native forests. We also do kitchen gardens. We also do a lot of training and environmental education. Today we are at Nyariginu Comprehensive School, where we began a project 2 weeks ago that has culminated with today's planting. And what we are doing is that we are establishing something called a Miyawaki Forest. And what we were doing today was planting indigenous trees, which were about 55 varieties of indigenous canopy, tree layer, and shrub layer trees. And it was to restore this environment to its native way. So I&M Foundation are our partners on this project. This is the first of 7, and we'll be in different counties from next month and next year, early part of next year before the rains.
Kwangu mimi imenisaidia kurudisha watoto na imenisaidia hata kuwanunulia kitu kama school yenye hawana school uniform hivi, vitu zenye hawana za nyumbani, hata saddles. Wamenisaidia, hizo pesa zimenisaidia mambo mengi sana, hata nilifurahia sana.